Everyone, I'm S. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is the definition of wages. So, the definition of wages is that the term wages refers to the payment of services, whether manual or mental, based on hours of work or quantity of outputs. Normally, the term wages is used to refer to payment made for services given by manual labor or non-supervisory and non-clerical staff. The wages means all remuneration expressed in terms of money the payable to an employed person in respect of his employment or of work done. Wages are payment for work or services, especially the money earned by employees and paid on hourly, daily, weekly basis. They representing the compensation of their time and effort. The term often implies a rate tied to specific units of work, such as an hour, and can also encompasses allowances, bonuses, and payment in kind as part of overall compensation package of employment. The next, the inclusion in wage of wages, payments for leave period, the bonus and etc. The compensation for labor, the wages are the primary from the payment given to the employees in return for their labor, making them a core component of the employer-employee relationship. The payment structure wages are typically paid according to the time worked or the payment of work completed piecework basis, though they can be paid on a weekly or monthly basis. The component of the wages package, the concept of wages can include not just basic pay but also additional payments such as the allowance, additional sum to cover specific expenses like hosting or to offset inflations, the extra payment for performance, festivals or company profits, the benefits in kind, non-cash benefits like company, the provided housing or a vehicle that are quantified in monetary terms. The economic role. In economic, wages represent the portion of the national income that goes to the labor as earned income, the distinct from income generated by capital. The next, the procedure regarding the payment of wages. The Payment of Wages Act 1936, along with the Payment of Wages Procedure Rules 1937, lays out the framework for how wages must be paid to employees in India. Here's a breakdown of the key procedures. The timing of wages payment. The wages must be paid before the 7th day of the following month if the establishment has less than 1,000 employees. If there are 1,000 or more employees, wages must be paid in the same month. In case terminations, wages must be paid within the 2 home month before. The next is the mode of payment. The wages should be paid current coins or currency notes. The employers may pay via check or bank transfer, but with a written authorizations from the employees. The fixation of wages period. The wages period must be fixed, cannot exceed 1 month. The next, the components of wages package. The concept of wages can include not just basic pay for also additional payments such as allowance, bonuses, benefits in kind. What is allowance means additional sums to cover the specific expenses like hosting or offset of inflations. The bonuses, the extra payment for performance, festivals or company profits. The benefits of kind, the non-cash benefits like company provided housing or vehicle that are quantified in the monetary terms. The economic role. In economics, wages represent the portion of national income that goes to the labor as earned income, the distinct from income generated by capital. The next is that wages are frequently associated with jobs paid on hourly or daily basis, where the payment directly reflects the time spent working. The salary is generally as a fixed annual amount, often paid monthly or bi-weekly, and is less directly tied to individual hours worked, providing a more stable the predictable income for full-time and employees. So it is a definition of a employees. The permissible deductions. The employers can deduct wages only for the reasons allowed under the Act. The fines, absence from duty, the damage or loss caused of employees' negotiations, recover of advances or loans, the contributions to insurance, provident fund or cooperative sectors. It is a final of definition of wages. The wages is very important to the all laborers or all kind of workers. Thank you.